Hi, this is a quick update to the previous video that looked at the percentages and absolute references. You'll remember at the end of that video I mentioned that Casablanca was highlighted as the best-selling title, and as you can see from the list, it is in fact Star Wars at the bottom there with £30 against £23.40. But the conditional formatting hasn't properly updated to highlight Star Wars, so all I'm going to do here is just fix that little problem. First thing I need to do here is just select the range of values in the income column. Go to the Format menu, choose Conditional Formatting again, and you can see the problem here that if I look in the first row of the settings there, in the formula box or the range box, I've got equals max, which is fine, and then the actual values in the cells are D3 to D8. And my movies go down to D11. So all I need to do here really is just fix that. I can do it manually just by clicking and deleting the 8 and retyping 11, or I can just click and drag and just select the range of values in between the brackets or parentheses. I can just press delete, which leaves me with a blank, well, nothing between the parentheses. Click on that little reduction button there, and that takes me back to the spreadsheet. I can then reselect, I'll just move that dialog so I can see the full list, reselect the range of values, and as I do that you'll see the dialog updates now to include row 11. Click the reduction box again, and that's now correctly showing the range I need. Do the same thing again for the minimum conditional format, so again just select the values between the parentheses, and I can just hit delete, make sure they've gone, and then click the reduction button so I can see the sheet again, and reselect that set of values one more time, and you can just check it says D3 to D11. Again, click the reduction button to bring the conditional format dialog back. Just double check it's all okay. Looks fine to me. Click OK, and we should see that if I click away, it has indeed updated correctly this time. So now we can see Star Wars is popping up as the winning movie in the list, which is perfectly okay. Again, I can just check it's going to update automatically. If I you can see 2001 is now the low value. If I just let's boost that figure a little bit, put 12 rentals on 2001, and there we go, that updates, and now Godfather highlights as the lowest value. You'll notice all the percentage values update automatically as well there. Before I just finish this video, there were a couple of things I wanted to show on the previous one but ran out of time. One of them is formatting those percentage values. I'll just show you very quickly here what you need to do. If I just select that range of values, if you want to use the menu option, simply go to Format, choose Cells, choose the Number tab if it's not already highlighted, and you can see percentages highlighted there, and you have the option of increasing or decreasing the number of decimal places. So in this example, maybe I wanted to increase it to 2 decimal places. Click OK, and all that does really is just give your percentage values a bit more accuracy. You can now see the percentage calculation to 2 decimal places. You can also modify that on the toolbars. So again, if I just select the range of percentages, you'll see here you have the increase and decrease percentage values buttons. So if I just click on the decrease decimal once, and again we go back to integer or whole number values on that list of percentages. Fred's not too bothered about it being accurate, so it's quite happy as it is, I think. So we'll leave that there. That's that for the update. I will be back in a few days with some more examples of how to use percentages. So I hope to see you on that video. Thank you for watching this one, and see you next time.